It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, the 14th of February. I'm Michael Groff. A rather apropos day outside, cloudy with widespread rain coming in here. Could be heavy at times this afternoon. And tonight could see some flooding, especially over northern Maricopa County and some parts of the state, even some flash flood potential out there. Then we'll take a look at the weekend and detail a very unsettled and cool weather pattern continuing into next week as well. First, we'll take a look at the almanac from yesterday, 67 for the high, 49 the morning low. No rain in the bucket yesterday. We've had a trace so far, and outside right now here at about 8:30 in the morning, we've got cloudy skies out there, a few light showers coming down right now. Currently 57 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 41, humidity 55%, the winds are light, and the barometer is falling. Temperatures across the area this morning held up overnight thanks to all the clouds and the moisture around. We're mostly in the 50s. Satellite picture across the western states, and you can see that band of moisture streaming in from the tropics, the subtropics. Part of it is an area of low pressure that affected Hawaii with some severe weather over the weekend. That's moving on our direction, plus a major winter storm coming into the western continental United States. And the watch warning map, we've got it all out here in the west. Winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings, flash flood watches for much of California extending eastward, even here into our state. We'll zoom in on that. That's a flood watch for much of northern Maricopa County, Gila, parts of La Paz, and points northward into Coconino County. A flash flood watch for the northern portions of our state and parts of southeast California extending into San Bernardino County. Convective outlook for today, we've got a marginal risk of severe storms, the central valleys of California around Sacramento. And precipitation, this is valid through next Thursday morning from the WPC. Rainfall amounts here in the valley around an inch. Heavier totals in the favored upslope areas just to our north and east. Again, northern and northeast Maricopa County and points on to the north. And very heavy rain for southern California. You could see anywhere from 3 to 5 inches out there. And that is wonderful news. Let's detail it for you now as we take a look at the models. Here we go to the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. The upper look at about 18,000 feet in the atmosphere. There's our cold upper low over the Pacific Northwest and a deep layered west-southwest flow around here, bringing plenty of moisture in off the Pacific. So down at the surface, cloudy skies, rain likely this morning. We'll see widespread rain coming in here by this afternoon. Could be heavy at times. Don't think we'll see any thunderstorms in Arizona, but certainly to the west and north, some convection will be possible. Highs this afternoon should be in the low 60s. And showing you the precipitable water coming off the NAM today as we look at the atmospheric parameters. And you can see why the heavy rain potential is with us. Look at that. PWatt values between about 1.3 to 1.6 inches. I mean, that would be typical of the monsoon season. We'd see this in July or August, early September. Not here in February. This represents well up beyond the 99th percentile of climatology. And then looking at the base reflectivity product, this is this morning at 9 a.m. by the time you watch this. And so we have some showers that'll be coming through here, mostly kind of hit and miss, light to moderate rain showers. And then by this afternoon, there it is, widespread rain, a big rain shield over the western half or 2/3 of Arizona. And some mountain snows. The snow level will start out kind of on the high side, though, and work its way down as we go further into the afternoon and overnight. Then tonight, we'll still see rain continuing this evening, and then we'll turn it over to more scattered showers after midnight, and then we'll start to see decreasing clouds as we head into the day tomorrow. We'll start out with a slight chance of showers in the morning, then turn partly sunny by tomorrow afternoon. High temperatures still getting up into the mid, maybe even the upper 60s. Saturday, we've got another series of Pacific weather systems that'll be passing through the western states, so we'll put a small chance of a shower in here for Saturday afternoon with some cold air aloft. Temperatures will be cooler too. Highs should only be in the upper 50s and low 60s. Sunday, same thing. Probably won't even make 60 with a partly sunny sky and a 20% chance that we'll see some showers. Monday, a better organized system comes on through here. There is some disagreement among the models with respect to exactly how much moisture comes in, but the idea of a somewhat unsettled day will put a 40% chance of showers in for Monday. And high temperatures will be on the cool side, mid-50s here in the valley. Those snow levels will be coming down as well. And by Monday night, might see snow levels coming down to around 3,500 feet or so. Maybe lower than that. We'll have to see just how much cold air comes on in. Tuesday looks like a mostly sunny and cool day as we'll be between systems here. Highs mid-50s. Wednesday morning could start out kind of cold, and then we'll see an increase in clouds again and a small chance of a shower. Let's go out to a week from today. This is Thursday, the 21st. And check it out. This is actually Thursday morning off the GFS. I show you this because the latest deterministic run has the 540 line right here across central Arizona. How about that? Very cold air in here with this very anomalous trough across the state. And then by Thursday afternoon, that continues. So we'd have another round of showers, even off the less bullish GFS solution. Then if we go out 10 days to the end of the period, finally we start to see a de-amplification of the pattern, at least according to the GFS. But let's take a look at the European just for the heck of it. This is next Thursday. It's got an incredibly cold low. Those are 531 decameter heights there over central California. And so that would be a highly diffluent flow over us. So another round of rain could be heavy. The European is showing some significant rain out here toward the end of next week. This is probably overdone on both the cold temperature side of it and also with respect to precipitation. But the European has been consistent, as has the GFS. So we'll just go with the broad brush idea of an unsettled forecast for much of next week with cool conditions continuing. Sounds great. Let's take a look at those temperatures coming off the GFS ensemble through the period, and highs stay below average all the way out through basically the end of February before we might start to see a recovery in temperatures thereafter. And we'll take it because we all know what's coming, right? And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. And of course, your comments, questions, and suggestions are always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. Be safe out there. Enjoy the rain and have yourselves a fantastic Thursday.